Hi everybody, I wanted to give you an overview of Module 1 for EDU 271. As you know from the overview module that the very first item that you will see in each and every one of our modules is the task list. So if we open the task list for Module 1, we can see what you are to read and what you're to turn in. So for this particular module, we're going to make sure that you have read and understood the course syllabus, and I did have that in the overview video, as well as the course schedule, and again I went over that in the other first video as well. Then you should take the Moodle orientation course if you've never taken an online course so that you know how to navigate through Moodle. If you're a pro and you've taken many online classes, then this isn't something you would probably need to do. You should read all documents found in the reading folder, and again, some of those documents, if you've been taking many online classes already, some of them will not be necessary for you. All of the things in here are really set to prepare you to be successful in the class. And then finally, read the portfolio assignment folder for all the documentation in there that will start to show you what to do for the portfolio for this class. For this module, you're going to turn in the Module 1 discussion forum, and I actually show you how to do a discussion forum in the overview video. So if you have not already watched that, I suggest watching that to see how to make an original post and how to do a reply. And then you're also going to do the Microsoft Word NC Live assignment. You'll see that all of those assignments due date is listed there as May 30th, and that is by midnight. So the next thing I would want to do is take a quick look at the, I've already showed you how to do the Module 1 forum, but I want to show you how to do the Microsoft Word assignment. So I'm going to go back into the course here, and we will go into Module 1, and this time you'll see here's the reading that you're going to do. Click on this folder, and here are the different documents. This one, for example, shows you how to use the OneDrive, and if you already know how to do that, you can skip those. Microsoft Word, if you feel like you are very proficient and you're going to be fine, all of your assignments have to be done in Microsoft Word. If you feel like, oh, I'm good with that, again, some of this may not be needed by everybody, but we need to make sure everybody is set to be successful in the class. So there are lots here for you to look at. Then the next thing in the course is the course portfolio assignment. So when you click on here, there is a document that goes over the assignment. There's a video link in there that explains how to do the assignment as well. There's the actual portfolio assignment, an example of how to do one, a grading rubric, and this one would be not for you. I'll remove that in a minute so it's not there to confuse you. It's for the online students is the one that you'll use. So I will have that all ready for you, and you will be able to go through and learn about the portfolio. The portfolio is an assignment that you're going to continually do throughout the entire course, so you want to make sure that you've looked over it, you understand it, and that you're not putting it off to the last minute. It would not be a fun thing at all if you put it off till the end. You should do each chapter, each activity as you go through that part of the course. Okay, finally, the last thing that I want to look at is the assignment, the other assignment in this one, which is the MS Word NC Live assignment. So now in your reading folder, it told you how to use Microsoft Word, and it told you how to use search engines. NC Live is a search engine, and there's information on how to get access to NC Live, the password that you need. All of that is in that document in the reading folder. So you have to look through that if you don't know how to do those things already. So again, you have to know how to use Microsoft Word, and you have to know how to use NC Live, which is like an online library for the citizens of North Carolina. Yes, I know you will need a password if you are off campus trying to use NC Live. The password again is in the reading document that you should look over. So what you're going to do is you're going to do a search on NC Live for a technology related topic. So it could be technology use with preschool children. It could be using technology to teach reading in elementary grades. It could be helping children with disabilities through technology. So any number of things that you might be interested in, you can do a search for. Once you do that search, you are going to find an article from NC Live, and please bear in mind you are picking the article, so you can also pick how long or short that article is. So by all means, pick something that you're willing to read. A one-page article might not be long enough though, so you probably want to shoot for at least 2 to 3 pages, just so that you can do a summary. Your summary, you wouldn't want a summary longer than the article itself. That'd be awfully hard to do. So you do have to have enough of an article that you're going to summarize it. So once you've found an article and you've read it, then you can complete this assignment. And these directions right here in front of you show you what you're going to do. So you're going to create a Microsoft Word document, and it tells you step by step what to do. Copy the link, not the entire document, from NC Live, and create a link to the article. A lot of times in NC Live, there is a link that you can look at that shows you the permalink, it's called, so that it's not embedded with the need to log in. So you'll want to use that, and then you will come down. It goes on to say center this information, make it bold, use Times font in size 16. So this is how I'm telling you what to put in there from NC Live, but I'm telling you exactly how to format it so that I know you know how to do that kind of formatting in Microsoft Word. Then it goes on, it says you'll come down 2 lines, left align your text, take off bold, reduce your size to 12, then type a summary. Please beware that your summary cannot be plagiarized, so be very sure that you know that you're not doing that. If you have read the article, put it aside, and are not looking at it, and you type your summary without referring back, you're guaranteed probably not to be plagiarizing, because it will be fully in your words. But if you start using their data, then you need to cite that. If you start copying or paraphrasing any of it, you need to leave a citation telling me that you took it from there. So you'll come down, let's see, you're going to do the 300-word summary, you're going to save your document and attach it below. And then here's the points of how you get your points. So finding the good article is 10, formatting is 20, your summary is 20. So what you would do here, yours looks a little bit different. You do not have this section called grading summary because you're not the instructor of the course, but you do have this, the submission status. So what you do is you click add a submission, and then here you would be able to upload a file. So wherever you saved your file to, you would click this right here, the add, or you could drag and drop into this box. And once you've done that, you click save changes, and your file is uploaded. You would then be able to see it as well. So after doing that, what would happen is when you came here, you would see your submission status, like you would see the file there. If you can see it, so can I. So you'll know that's how you can kind of reassure yourself that you did submit it properly, and I do have it. So that is how you will upload the assignment. So that is a very quick, but at least an overview of Module 1, so you know what to read, and the 2 assignments in there. The Module Forum, which the other video already showed how to do that, and then this MS Word NC Live. If you have any questions or need any help, please don't hesitate to reach out to me. I'd be glad to help you either through email, on the phone, or in person. Thanks, and I'll talk to you again soon.